Welcome to episode 1 of my Entrepreneur Life series. I'm building my lip gloss business from the ground up. And today we're making gloss, packing orders, and heading to the post office. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For those that are new here, my name is Shireen and I am a lip gloss and eyelash vendor. So as you all read by the title, today I will be packing orders. So I received 2 wholesale orders yesterday and I plan to get them out tomorrow. It is currently 9:43 p.m. I'm getting ready to open up my Shopify and review the order and just print the packing slip. And I need to load more paper in my printer. So I'll print the packing slips last. I'm just going to review the order. The best part about it is both orders have the same gloss. So I only have to make one batch of gloss. Order number 1, my customer, she ordered wholesale lashes. So she will receive 10 pack of lashes, same style. And she wants 10 lip glosses. Some other customers, she ordered a wholesale lip gloss starter kit. They're actually on sale for $15.99. Original price is $40. So if you're interested in starting your business, go ahead and get the kit. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and print her label as well as her packing slip. All right, packing slip, Pretty in Pink lip gloss starter kit. Order number 1. So if you're interested in starting your lip gloss business, the lip gloss starter kits are on sale for $15.99. It will come with 1 8-ounce jar of ready-to-use base. Here's the logo. The ingredients are on the back. And it will also come with 1 syringe, 2 pipettes, and 20 lip gloss tubes. All for $15.99. Catch this while it's on sale because after a week and a half, this kit will go back up to $40. All right, guys. This is literally the next day, and right now I'm currently at the post office. Order number 1 and order number 2 are ready to be dropped off. Made with care, delivered with care. So I see you guys when I get inside the post office. I'm going to wrap the video up right here. Right now, I'm also on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I'm like at 850. So if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, comment down below, do all that great stuff. And I will catch you all in the next video.